Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to show you an amazing budget. PC build for under 25,000 Indian rupees. Perfect for everyday tasks, gameplay, and even video editing. Let's jump in. Components breakdown. 1. Processor. For the CPU, we'll go with the amazing AMD Ryzen 55600G. It's a 6-core, 12-thread processor with the amazing Vega graphics built right in. Price, roughly 11,000 Indian rupees. 2. Motherboard. Next up is the awesome ASRock A520 HDD motherboard. It's budget-friendly. Supports Ryzen 5000 series right out of the box, and has room for all the necessary VRMs. Price, roughly 5,000 Indian rupees. 3. RAM. For memory, we'll use ultra-fast. Crucial 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. If you want to upgrade later, you can always go for 16GB. But don't forget we're keeping this under budget with 8GB. Price, roughly 2,000 Indian rupees. 4. Storage. For storage, we'll use Kingston NV1 500GB NVMe SSD. This will give you super fast boot times. Tons of room for your Windows and favorite games. Price, roughly 2,200 Indian rupees. 5. Cabinet plus power supply. Now we'll use the cool Esports Ice 130 odd case, which comes with a 450W power supply. This superb case provides good airflow without breaking the bank. Price, roughly 3,800 Indian rupees. Total cost of this build. So with all these awesome components, our overall cost is between around 24,000 Indian rupees and 25,000 Indian rupees, depending on where we're buying them from. No bad for a great budget PC right there. And of course, let's talk about performance. Now, just what can you expect on this setup? You'll be able to play games like Valorant, CSGO, and GTA V at a sweet 1.0 low to medium setting with some smooth FPS. Plus, it's perfect for surfing the web, working in your office. So that's where our budget, like adding a graphics card or more RAM. If you want a more budget-friendly tech build, PC build under 25,000 Indian rupees comes to intense brokies.